Watch out! The water is spraying everywhere across the entire kitchen. EAD. Turn off the main water valve right now before the kitchen is destroyed.
Mom, what happened here? There is so much cold water on the floor.
Do not panic, everyone. I will shut this stubborn valve off in 1 second. Oh no! The handle snapped. It broke right off in my bare hand.
This cannot be happening right now. The water pressure is way too strong.
Look up at the ceiling. Why is dirty water dripping down on us now? Oh no! The electricity! The main lights are buzzing and shutting down completely!
I'm scared. Mommy, why are all the lights turning off in our house?
Quick, take this bucket. We need to catch the leaking water right away.
Grandpa, hold on. Be careful, the wet floor is extremely slippery right now.
Thank you, brave Ben. That was a very close fall for an old man.
Why did you try to fix everything yourself instead of calling a licensed plumber?
I was just trying to help our family save money on expensive repairs.
Please stop shouting at each other. We need to stop the water right now.
Did you hear that loud bang? Something heavy just cracked upstairs right now.
Everyone be quiet. What on earth is happening up on the second floor?
That bang came from inside the upstairs hallway wall near the bathroom pipes.
I am going upstairs right now to check the main bathroom water line.
Dad, wait for me. I am bringing the bright emergency flashlight to help you.
Look at the hallway carpet. It is already completely soaked with dark water.
The drywall feels soft and squishy. Water is definitely running inside this wall.
Is the pipe upstairs broken too? This whole house is getting completely ruined.
I will cut a small hole right here and patch the pipe myself.
Dad, please do not cut the wall. Maybe we should call someone first.
Trust me, Ben. I know how to fix a simple plumbing line quickly.
Oh gosh, water is spraying out with even more pressure than before.
Arg! The water pressure is insane. I cannot see anything right now.
Mommy, make it stop. The noise is too loud and scary.
Here, wrap these thick towels tightly around the open crack to slow it.
I am holding the towels against the wall. Dad, pull your hands away.
Look at this mess. Every time you touch something, the damage gets twice worse.
I thought I could fix it quickly. I honestly thought I knew how.
Mom, the water is dripping straight through the wooden floor into the living room. Quick, move the living room furniture before the fabric gets completely ruined.
Push hard on 3, Ben. 1, 2, 3. Push it to the corner.
Look, I am putting all my toy pots here to catch the rain.
You are doing a wonderful job, Emily.
That is helping us so much.
Put the tools down now. We are calling the professional emergency plumbing service immediately. Hello? Emergency plumbing? We have a massive burst pipe flooding our 2-story house. Yes, please come right away. Water is coming through our kitchen and ceiling.
I ruined our lovely home. I should have never touched those old kitchen pipes. I will just sit over here out of the way. I make everything worse. Maybe I am not good at fixing things after all. I cannot do anything. I just wanted to take care of my family. And I failed completely.
Dad. He looks so sad. He was only trying to take care of us.
It is not your fault, Dad. And please do not feel sad and alone.
Dad, are you okay? You do not have to sit in the dark alone.
We are not mad at you, Dad. We know you worked so hard today.
I wanted to be your strong hero who fixes everything without any help, Ben.
You are already my hero, Dad. You do not have to fix pipes alone.
Oh, sweetheart. I should not have shouted so loudly at you earlier tonight. I was scared about the house, but I know your heart was only loving. You do not have to carry all our family's problems alone anymore, my love.
Daddy, I love you. You are the best daddy in the whole wide world.
Thank you, my wonderful family. I am so sorry for being so stubborn today.
Hey everyone, come up here quickly. I found something very interesting inside this wall.
What did you find, Grandpa? Is there something else hidden inside the wall?
Look right here at this ancient copper pipe connector behind the master bathroom wall.
This pipe was rusted and split open from old age, completely hidden away.
This burst was happening anyway because of 50 years of hidden corrosion inside here.
So, my thinking to what's how? My kitchen sink repair did not cause this major flood after all?
Not at all, son. You did not break this pipe. Old age broke it.
What a huge relief. It was never your fault in the first place, honey.
See, Dad? I told you that you did not do anything wrong tonight.
Look outside the front window. The professional plumber has finally arrived to help us. Hello, folks. Do not worry, I am here to get this water shut off.
Welcome, sir. Thank you so much for coming out so quickly on short notice.
I will shut off the street line first, then replace that split copper section.
There we go. The Main Street water supply is completely turned off safely now.
Listen, the hissing stopped completely. The water has finally ceased running everywhere in house.
Yay! The water stopped! The noisy water is completely gone.
This new modern brass pipe will last your home for 50 solid years, folks. You make this look so easy. I truly have so much respect for plumbers.
We all have our special jobs, friend. Knowing when to call helps everyone stay safe.
Perfect. That new pipe is completely solid, leak-proof, and fully ready for running water.
Let us restore the power. The electrical lines are totally dry and safe now.
The lights are back on. Look how warm and bright our home looks again.
Thank you for saving our house tonight. You did a truly fantastic and speedy job.
You have a wonderful family, sir. Have a great and restful evening together, everyone.
All right, team. Now we have a big cleaning adventure ahead of us tonight.
Here are sponges and yellow gloves for everyone. Let us work together as team.
I will mop all the kitchen floor tiles until they are shiny and dry.
I am wiping the low walls so they become clean and shiny too, Ben.
We make a pretty great cleaning team when we share the load together, sweetheart.
Yes, we do. And I promise never to lose my temper like that again.
I will wash all these soaked towels so they will be fresh tomorrow morning.
We finished mopping the whole house. Every single puddle of water is totally gone.
Ding dong! Someone just ordered 2 extra large hot cheesy pizzas for our dinner tonight.
Fresh hot pizza has arrived. Pepperoni and extra cheese for all my hard-working heroes.
Hooray for warm pizza! We are so hungry after all that crazy cleaning work.
Let us sit together right here on the warm floor for a fun indoor picnic.
Dig in, everybody. This is the most delicious, well-deserved pizza meal we ever had.
This pizza tastes amazing. This chaotic day turned out so wonderful and fun.
Here is the biggest cheesy slice for our sharp-eyed pipe investigator, Grandpa Joe.
I learned the most valuable lesson of my life today from all of you.
What lesson did you learn today, Dad? Tell us about what you realized.
You do not have to fix everything alone. Asking for help is true love. When we face problems together as a family, we can overcome any single challenge.